The beast is back, bitches. Yeah, that's right. This is my motherfucking beer fridge, bitches. This is how I get down. The supply, nigga. Gotta have that shit. Never know when the zombie apocalypse might jump off and you need beer, nigga. Shit. I do not fucking play. It's my shit. Got to have it. Stock tight. Tight. To the gills, bitch. Packed to the gills. With my babies. With my babies. God, you know I gotta sneak my little cousin in there. Sneak my little cousin in there. Memory of my grandpa. Gotta have the Hennessy for Henry C. Get it yourself, bitches.